Hey everyone, welcome back to the next tutorial series on the Ethereum blockchain and Python and Dash. So in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to create a front-end interface in Python using Dash for the Ethereum blockchain. We'll go over everything, right? You'll know what these libraries mean. You'll know how to incorporate a little bit of JavaScript to interact with the blockchain data that's being inserted and the MetaMask wallet. You'll know how to design your layout, right? Everything you want inside the layout, input fields, buttons, radio buttons, radio items. Everything can be achieved with Dash in Python inside this layout DBC container, right? And finally, you're going to learn the traditional callbacks to interact with the blockchain, to pull data from the blockchain, and more advanced callbacks called the client-side callbacks, which is also referred to as browser-side callbacks, to be able to allow the user to interact with their MetaMask wallet right here and to insert data into the blockchain. So I'm pretty excited about this video because there's very little content out there that shows you how to create front-end interface in Python for Ethereum blockchains. And this one does. I'll see you in the next video.